friends, I'm Miss Geannine from Kiddie Academy of Pasadena, and today we're going to be making some rock monsters. Okay, so the first step is to make our salt dough, and that's what's going to make our rocks. We're going to need some flour, we're going to need some salt, and we're going to need some water. First thing we need to do is to make our salt dough. And to do that, we're going to need flour, 1 cup, water, half a cup, and 1 cup of salt. So go ahead and get your supplies and come back and let's make some dough. So we're going to need 1 cup of flour. I have 1/4 cup, so 4 of those makes 1 cup. 3 and 4. Next I'm going to need some salt. Again, 4/4 cups of these makes 1 cup. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is the water. I'm going to add 2/4 cups of water. To make a smaller batch of dough, you can always cut all of these measurements in half. 1, 2. This is where you're going to get messy and you're just going to start mixing it all up. It's going to feel a little crumbly at first. So you're just going to keep mixing and mixing and get all the dough together. Okay, so as you're kneading your dough, go ahead and it might take some time, keep squeezing it, keep putting it, pushing it together, mixing all the ingredients, but you want to preheat your oven at this time to 250. We're going to be baking these after we make our rocks. Once our dough is nice and firm, we're going to be pulling off little pieces like this, and you're going to be rolling them in a ball or in any rock shape. You roll your hands together, you can squeeze, you can cup your hands to make it nice and round. You can make it kind of flat. You want something about this size. You can make them bigger if you'd like. It's up to you. It's your dough at home. You can make them any size you'd like. Quick tip, when you're making your rock monsters, if you end up having some cracks and creases, go ahead and dip your finger in some water, rub it on those creases, and it'll smooth them out. Okay, so now we have our rock monsters ready to go in the oven. So we're going to leave these at 250 for 4 hours. Our next step is to paint our rock monsters. I'm going to be painting a yellow one today. So let's get our paint. You can choose any color you like. Get a paintbrush or you can use your fingers. So we're going to go ahead and paint our rock all the way around. If you don't want to get paint on your surface, go ahead and lay a paper towel or newspaper under your rock. I have a tray here. These rocks are very easy to paint. You don't want to leave too much paint on it or it's going to take longer to dry. Okay, and there's our rock painted. We're going to let it dry for about 20 minutes. So we're going to just put 1 dot of glue. For my monster, I just want 1 eye. He's going to be a 1-eyed monster. You can put 2 eyes, 3 eyes, however many eyes you want. You can also paint the eyes on. So again, you can make your monster however you'd like. For my monster, he's going to be serious today. I'm going to do a straight black line right across his face. I'm also going to give him 2 pointy teeth in the shape of triangles. Next I'm going to make his eyebrows. So my monster is serious today. He's going to have a very serious eyebrow. Next I'm going to grab a little bit of white paint. just to make his teeth nice and white, right in the center. And there you have it. So as you can see, we can make a variety of rock monsters. So yours will be only yours and very unique. You can make them tall, short, fat, skinny, one eye, two eye. It's up to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.